Today I thought I'd show you the manual that came with the camper. So it's got RV theft prevention guide from an insurance company. This is the sticker that I took off outside the camper when I was taking the stickers off. So I kept that whole, and it's got the VIN number on it and everything. This is about 12-volt installation. The warranty, maintenance tips, and safety procedures. And then here, let's see what else we have. This is the original letter from when the camper was purchased. That dealer is still open in Pennsylvania, but they don't have these campers anymore. So here's the manual here. Cadet, Captain, and Admiral, with the Cadet being the smallest. There it is. Can be pulled by any car. There's the specs. It's got the floor plan. And then the Captain, which is the next size up. So it has this window where mine does not have that window. So this is a little longer. There's the specs on that one. So from what I'm told, these were made partially in Poland and then shipped unfinished over to Canada, and then Canada finished them. So this is the largest one, the Admiral. And there's the specs on that one. And the floor plan, I do not see a toilet in that. This part right here looks like that might be a sink, but I don't see a toilet. So I'm not sure if it had one. And there's the back of it from Ontario, Canada. So that's the manual. It's nice to have that, and I'll keep it with the camper. So that's today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and please subscribe. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I'm getting really close. I'm over 900. So please help me out. Hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and then hit the little bell, ding ding, so that you will get notifications when I post a new video. And I will see you on the next video. And we should probably check all this out so that our camper doesn't get stolen. All right, see you next time. Bye.